Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of fintech, specifically a service called Beforepay. You might have seen it advertised online, promising a way to get what you want, right now. But before you jump on that bandwagon, let's take a step back and assess the potential risks. What is Beforepay? Beforepay is a buy now, pay later, BNPL, service. Imagine you're scrolling through your favorite online store and see that perfect pair of shoes. Beforepay allows you to split the cost of that purchase into smaller installments, often spread over several weeks. It seems convenient, almost too good to be true, so is it? The allure of BNPL. Let's be honest, BNPL services are attractive. They offer a sense of instant gratification, letting you access things you might not have the funds for immediately. Unlike traditional credit cards with lengthy applications and hidden fees, BNPL seems straightforward. But here's the thing, there are always catches, and Beforepay is no exception. Risk number 1, keeping up with payments. BNPL might seem manageable at first, but those multiple installments can quickly add up. Missing a payment can lead to late fees, impacting your credit score. Remember, unlike credit cards, BNPL reports go straight to credit bureaus. Falling behind can seriously hurt your ability to borrow money in the future, like for a car or a house. Risk number 2, debt spiral. The ease of BNPL can be deceptive. You might convince yourself you can afford more than you truly can. Before you know it, you've racked up purchases across multiple BNPL services, creating a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Remember, these services are designed to make spending easy, and that can be dangerous if you're not careful. Risk number 3, understanding the fees. While BNPL might not have annual fees like traditional credit cards, they often have late payment charges and other hidden costs. Be sure to understand the specifics of Beforepay's fee structure before you commit. Read the fine print, because those seemingly small fees can snowball over time. Risk number 4, impulse purchases. BNPL removes the friction from buying. Seeing a price split into smaller chunks can downplay the actual cost, leading to impulse purchases you might regret later. Beforepay encourages a get it now, worry about it later mentality, which can be detrimental to your financial health in the long run. Beforepay versus credit cards. So, is Beforepay worse than a credit card? Not necessarily. Credit cards, if used responsibly, can actually help build your credit score. However, credit cards come with higher interest rates and can be even more tempting to overspend with. The key is using any credit product responsibly, whether it's a credit card or a BNPL service. Alternatives to Beforepay. If the convenience of BNPL tempts you, consider alternatives. Try setting aside a specific amount of money each month for those impulse purchases. This way, you're only spending what you've already saved and avoiding any potential debt traps. Beforepay, the verdict. Beforepay can be a useful tool for managing small, planned purchases. However, the ease of use and potential for accumulating fees can be risky. Here's the bottom line, Beforepay is not a free ride. Do your research, understand the risks, and only use it if it fits your budget and financial goals. So, is Beforepay right for you? That depends on your financial situation and spending habits. We hope this video helped you assess the risks and make informed decisions. Remember, responsible spending is key to financial well-being. Thanks for watching, and until next time.